What's up, YouTube? Bumma the Suit here, coming back with the 7th box break of the night. Breaking another box of UD Premier Football. So good luck, guys. Everybody, once again, has 2 teams. And hopefully we continue our nice streak of premierness. The last couple boxes we've opened from this case have been really nice. So like always, obviously, UD Premier, the stickers are never on the packs, as you can see, kind of just hanging off the side. So good luck. Alright, 1 pack. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Alright, here we go. Alright, for the base card for the Patriots of Tom Brady, that'll be number 98 of 99 for the Patriots. For the Pats, tilt my light up a little bit so you guys can see. Alright, next card. Go slow. Not the rookie we're looking for. It'd be for the New York Jets. It'd be a Dustin Keller quad jersey auto, number to 375. It'd be 179 of 375 for the Jets. Next card be our manufacturer patch. That'll be for the Chiefs. It'll be a Dwayne Bowe LSU manufacturer patch. That'll be numbered 16 of 30. 16 of 30 of Debo for the Chiefs. Next card, go slow. Not bad patches. It'd be for the Ravens. It'd be a Willis McGahee jersey. Looks like 3-color patch. 3-color patch, numbered 6 of 15 for the Ravens. See the 2 colors in the middle, and then obviously the both breaks on the end. Pretty nice to go to the Ravens, numbered to 15. Yeah, it is a pretty nice patch. Next card. We've got a dual autograph. Dual autograph for the Packers. It'll be a Jordy Nelson and Brian Brom Premier Pairings, number 12 of 50. Pretty nice dual autograph for the Packers. Brian Brom and Jordy Nelson. Pretty sick. On the next card, go slow. It'll be just plain color jerseys. Looks like a jersey of random between the Pats, the Cowboys, and the Bengals. Randy Moss, Terrell Owens, and Chad Johnson, or Ocho Cinco. It's number 23 of 40. Just all plain color jerseys. And the last card, if this is autographed, it'll make up for the box. Oh man, very, very nice. For the Dolphins, a jersey, number 11 of 25, autograph of Dan Marino. Pretty sick. Triple jersey remnants, 3 of Dan Marino. Pretty sick. Pretty nice looking card. So not a bad box. The Marino made up for it. So that would be our 2nd box break at 8 Premier. We've still got a couple boxes left. This is a Bumma the Suit out.